Hi, this is Jadul from SEO Glitch, and today we are going to discuss about how you can do SEO for tea removal business. Right? So if you are in this business and want to grow up your business on Google search result, then this video might help you. So without any further delay, let's start this video. So for this video, we are going to target Louisville city. So for this particular city, we are going to find the best keywords that will be very easy to rank on for this company, right? So as earlier we have already discussed the structure of your of our way of SEO that we are going to follow in this video also. So first of all, we are going to find the top 3 to 5 competitors for this business, right? So then we are going to do the keyword research, the competition analysis, like how many contents they have, what types of content they are targeting, the content length of those pages, and how many pages they have, NLP terms, right? So let's start this with step number 1. So if we search the basic keywords, tree removal in Louisville, then we can see some competitors. So we are going to find those competitors who are ranking for the main domain, right? So those are our main competitors. So let's check. We can see that this is the sites that ranking for their homepage. So this will be very good competitor for us, right? And you can see this one is elb.com, and if we open this, then we can see this is it looks like and different types of service they are mentioning in their sites, right? So this is not our exact competitor, so we can ignore this, right? Now we will see another one. This is the same one also, and here we can see the site is ranking for its own domain, right? So if we open that we can easily got the idea what types of structure they are targeting in their sites, and we will do further analysis to find the keyword for this from these sites, right? So we will take another sites. We can see this site also. Here you can see this site is maybe targeting different types of cities. You can see the homepage is not ranking for this particular query. It means they might targeting different types of city also. So if we scroll down here and see what are those cities are, we can see the change location. It means they might be targeting different types of city also, right? So we are going to focus only those competitors who are specifically targeting this region Louisville, right? So this one is also a perfect competitor, you can see. Yeah. So after getting these competitors, we are going to start our second step, which is keyword research. So to know what the best keyword we should target in our site, we have to do keyword research. Keyword research is the most important part in SEO. If we do and find the best keywords, then our 70 to 80% will work in SEO, right? Will done perfectly. So if we use SEMrush, then we can get a clear idea how many visitors these competitors are getting from Google search results, right? And what types of keywords they are ranking. So let's check one by one. So for the first competitors, we can see the site is getting almost 473 traffic from Google search result and ranking for 1.3k keywords on Google, right? And if we want to know what those keywords are, then SEMrush will show us very clearly. You can see 1.1k keywords are ranking. So these are the keywords that they are ranking for on Google. So most of the times they might ranking for their brand, right? So they have already created a good brand on this particular industry. This is why people are searching for by typing their name. So we are going to find some low competitive keywords, but how you can find? So let's use some filters to get such good keywords. So at the very first, we'll add a filter word count, and the word number will be greater than 3. So we will check how many keywords is there, which has at least 30, at least 3 plus words. So we can see these are the keywords, around 610 keywords that has 3 plus keywords within that query. Now we will check one by one and try to find the good keywords for our business. You can see tree removal in Louisville KY. So this was our the initial keywords that we are already searched, right? So we are going to know few others keywords. So we will check a very good way so that we can find a good keywords. Let's scroll down. So as this is a huge keyword, 610 is very big, so we are going to add another filter, and this time we will use this region. So I have to know those keywords which has this term Louisville, right? So let's see how many keywords we can see. They have almost 58 keywords, right? Let's see. We can see land cleaning Louisville KY, right? This is also a good keywords. We can take this keyword for further research. So we are going to take this keyword as a secondary keywords. So for this we will take an Excel sheet. And here we will add those keywords one by one. Suppose this is our secondary keyword. So we have already got our secondary keywords. There might be different types of other keywords, but we will check a few of them, right? And we will mention those metrics: search volume 20 and KD 2. Search volume is 20, KD 2, and CPC is, for now we are not going to target those CPC, because CPC is mostly used those in those cases who are doing spending ads, right? Those people who are going to create PPC campaign on Google AdWords, then they might take this as serious, right? So for SEO we are not going to take this, right? We can ignore that, but we are going to know what the main keyword is, right? So we will scroll down again. We can also see that tree trimming in Louisville KY. So if we open this keyword, then we can get a clear idea what are those competitors are ranking for these keywords. So if you scroll down, we can see the sites are ranking for these keywords, and the number of keywords also, and the number of backlinks the site has also mentioned. We can see the site is only 1 backlinks. This site is around 358, because this is a sites ranking on its home page. This is why the number of backlink is also good, right? And this is also, so as per the keywords, it's looks low competitive as compared to this one, right? So we can take this as main keywords. We can take this main keyword, and also we can take this keyword as a secondary keywords. We are not going to miss this keyword also, right? So we will add the matrix of those keywords. This 20 search volume, KD 26, 20, 26, and this keyword has, let's check, 110, 28. So we can use this keyword as our main keyword because the search volume is low, and if we target low search volume keyword in initial stage, then it will be very easy to rank as compared to high search volume keyword, right? So if this as this keyword has a good search volume, most of the people will target this keyword at the very fast, right? So what we will do, we will start targeting these keywords because of having low search volume. Also the keyword difficulty is low, and once we get rank for this particular keywords, then we will also start getting rank for this keyword also, right? So in this way the website authority will improve day by day, right? So always we will start with low search volume with long tail keywords, right? So we have already found the keywords by following only one competitors. We can also use this competitor and this competitors to know the number of keywords they are ranking for, right? So if we take this competitor and see how many the number of traffic they are getting very low as compared to the first competitors, right? So I have already explained how you can find the keywords by using SEMrush, right? So no problem, we can start doing the further steps. So now we are already got our competitors and their keywords, right? So now we are going to know how many contents they have, what the length of those contents, right? So for this we will use we will know the sitemaps of the sites. So we can take this, we can see they are using a Yoast SEO plugin to create these sitemaps. So they have already 5 sitemap, and if you open the post sitemap, you can see 115 URLs. This is very good. They are providing different types of informational contents, right? Not only providing service, also they are providing valuable information to the users, so that user can trust very more, right? So Google will also trust these sites because this site is not only providing the service, also providing the valuable content. This is why this sites is ranking very good. So if we take the number of content these sites, then we will get an idea. So as per the sitemaps, the number of page this sitemap is very low. We can see 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11, only 11 pages this site has, right? This is very small. So if we see how many pages this site has, we can see only 11 page. This is the reason they are getting very low traffic, because And this site is getting good number of topics of for having the good number of pages, right? This is why Google is providing a good rank for these sites. So we can also get different types of keywords to target on blog section, right? So for that we can follow this content, right? So we can easily follow this type of contents and get target, right? So these are the content they are, our competitors is targeting. We can see this content is very low also, but they are providing value, right? Rather than the other competitors is not providing that. So this is the good things that we should have, right? So informational content sites will be very helpful, and those information content will help to rank the service page. This is the good things of doing interlinking. If we rank these keywords like informational keywords and then do interlinking this page to our service page, then Google will also helps to rank those service page also, right? So initial stage the service related keyword will be difficult to rank as compared to informational content. So try to target informational content and very fast, right? And then start targeting on service related keyword, right? So we have already got the idea how many pages our competitor has and what types of content they are covering. So now we are going to know the NLP term. So for NLP term we are going to use neural writer, which is a very good tools. We can use this. So to know the NLP is very important for ranking on Google, because the NLP term are those terms that Google wants to use in a page, right? So what are those terms are, we can easily get idea from by using neural writer. So let's add this query. So we are going to know what are those NLP terms that our competitors are using for this particular keywords, right? So we are going to know those terms. So let's wait few seconds. So my process has completed and we will see what are those NLP terms are. So we will go to the further, and these are, so as per these tools, the Louisville, SEO, tree service, tree care, KY, these are the NLP term we should have in H1 term. It means we should use this type of terms in our title tag. H1 tag means most of the times we use in title tag, right? So these are the terms that we should have in our title tag. So if this is our title keywords, then we should create a title that should have this type of term. So if we paste this as the H1, then we can see some most of the we can see this term and this term has already covered, right? So if we do in smart way, then we can cover most of the terms of this, right? And here we can see the H2 term, right? So H2 term we can also add these terms in our H2 tags, right? So H2 tag is also important. So in our homepage we can use H2 tags, right? If we see our competitors, so this might be H1 tag and this might be H2 tags. So in this H2 tag we should use this type of term, right? These are the NLP term that this tool suggesting us to using H2 term, right? And if we click here and see what are those terms we should use within the content, right? So these are the terms, and also the tools has mentions how many times we should use these terms. right? This is very good. We should not use more and more to stuff a keywords, right? So we should not do in that way. Just follow their steps, right? Follow their formula, and we can get a very good results, right? So we can see the Louisville SEO T service. We should use T service at least 1 to 15. We should not use more than 15, right? If we use, then it will does not look good as per Google Eye, right? So this tool has mention this maximum terms because the competitors are not using more than this, right? So this is the reason this tool is mentioning this, right? So we have got the idea how we can use the NLP and how we can get the good results, right? So with that tool we can find the NLP terms. Now we are going to do the optimization by using this keyword in H1, H2 and the description, right? So if this is our main keywords, then we will find these keywords, the NLP terms for this particular keywords, right? Now we will use this keyword in H1 tag and try to use this keyword in H2 tags if possible, right? We should not use these keywords forcefully within that H2 section, but we will try, right? So if this is not possible, then we should target these secondary keywords in H2 tags, right? So in H1 and H2 tag we have to maintain the keyword ratio, right? We should not use the main keyword more and more way in H2 tags, right? And we will use the main keyword within first 100 words of a content. So if this is our competitors and the first 100 words may be this section, so we will try to use our main keyword within this section, right? This is a very good for SEO, right? So try to use that keywords within that section, and also use the LSI or secondary keyword also, right? So we can also use the secondary keyword in this section or here also, right? And after that we are going to target those keywords in the meta title and meta description, right? Meta title, meta description, it means, so this is the title that shows on Google search results. So this is the meta title, right? And this is the meta description. So in the meta description section, if we use WordPress and also use the plugin called Yoast SEO or Rank Math SEO, then there might an options to use the meta title and meta description for a particular page, right? So we'll use the main keyword within that meta title and also use the meta description by focusing our main keywords, right? Here we can see the structure of your site. The structure will be in this way. Then first we will use H1 tags, right, in title. Then we'll do some content, we'll write some contents, then we H2 tag, then H3 tag. In this way we will optimize our tags, right? But we should not do in this way. This is not a good practice, right? We should not do in this way. We will follow this good practices, right? And after that, once we publish a good number of contents, we are going to do interlinking each of them, right? So how we can do that? So suppose this is our sites and these are the pages that have mentioned in that section, right? So this page has interlink with homepage and this one is interlink with tree care page, right? So if we open the tree care, then we can see this type of page they have created, and also the interlink they have created for this particular area, right? So this page has interlinking with this page. It means the link juice will flow from this page to this page, right? From home page the link juice will flow this page, right? And after this page the link juice will flow this page. As a result, the ranking of these keywords, the ranking of this page will improve on Google Eye, right? So always do interlinking in a proper way so that Google can help to rank different types of pages. So this is the example of how we can do interlinking, right? And now the silo structure. Silo structure is very important thing, right? So here you can see the service section. This company has mentioned different type of service in this section so that a visitor can easily know what are those service or what are those pages the site has where they can find the different type of service type of information, right? And in this section about they can find different type of information for this particular company, right? In the blog section they can find different types of informational content, right? Here we can see the contact, how you can contact the company, in the emergency situation, how you can contact them, the frequently asked question, right? So we should design our site structure in such a way that visitor can easily navigate the pages the site has, right? Easily they can access all the information the site has, right? So also it very good for Google bot, right? So Google bot can crawl the each and every page very easily if we organize our sites in a good way, right? So always try to follow a good silo structure, right? And now we are going to know the backlinks, right? So backlinks is in off-page SEO are very important. So if we see how many backlinks our competitor has, then we can get a clear idea what types or how many backlinks we should create. So if we use the sites SEMrush and see this domain has almost 792 backlinks from 103 referring domains. So we can see how many backlinks from each domain. So it means at least 182 backlinks they have, right? And 792 maybe one domains has 2 or 3 backlinks. This is why the number of backlinks is very high as compared to the referring domains. So we can add some filters, and we are going to know the links per referring domains, right? So we are going to add 1 links per referring domain. So these are the backlinks that our competitor has, and we can easily follow this type of backlinks and create a good number of backlinks like our competitors, right? So they have got the backlinks right here. We can also get this type of backlinks here, and there are different others way we can also get, like we can use the web to profile, right? Social media marketing, right? So these are the clear picture of our competitors, right? So we can get a clear idea what our competitors backlinks has and where they are getting such backlinks, and these are the anchor text, right? So these are the anchor text they have used at the time of backlinks, right? You can see you can easily follow their backlinks profile and try to get backlinks like our competitors, right? So at the time of creating backlinks, we should also remember one thing, which is the ratio of anchor text, right? So if this is our main keywords, we should not use these main keywords again and again for backlinks, right? So the anchor text of a backlink should be maintained in a good ratio, in a good way, right? So if we use these keywords, the main keywords 20 times, right, then we should use the other secondary keywords 20 or 30 times, right? So if our sites has 100 backlinks, or if we are going to create 100 links, then 20 or to 30 links will be these main keywords, 20-30 links will be these secondary keywords, and others link will be distributed in the naked URLs like the domain name.com and the generic anchors like click here, visit here, right? So that we can easily easily create a good variation of our anchor text. You can see the good variation anchor text will be look like this, right? So if we use only main keywords again and again for creating backlinks as an anchor text, then Google will penalize our sites, right? So this type of maintenance we should have, right? So I hope this video help you to understand how you can do SEO for your business. So if you have got a good information about this the SEO, then please like this video and also subscribe our channel to get different type of SEO related information, right? So we'll see on next video. Thank you.